90 seconds.
SSC, hydraulic external power on. External.
Seconds.
RCO, report range, go for launch.
Range, go for launch.
CLCDR, you go for launch.
Roger. 70 seconds.
SSC, hydraulics internal. Internal.
Seconds.
T-minus 1 minute.
Down limit conditions. T-minus 60 seconds on.
On.
100% locks. Seconds.
CLCDR, LC-17B, launch enable flight.
Flight.
ATC-3, main power disable on.
On. 35 seconds.
Hydraulics go.
30 seconds.
T-minus 30 seconds.
22 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 seconds.
Stop and
T-minus
go.
15.
13 seconds.
Water,
Record.
water go.
10.
Arming 9.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have ignition and liftoff of a Delta II rocket on a Missile Defense Agency mission to demonstrate future space technologies.
Chamber pressure levels, good chamber pressure readings on the verniers, and good symmetrical burn on the ground-lit solid motors. 22 seconds into the flight. Still looking good. Altitude now about a half a mile. 32 seconds. Vehicle now passing Mach 1. Vehicle now going transonic. Chamber pressure is beginning to decline in the 6 ground-lit motors, as expected. 37 seconds in. Now passing max Q, maximum dynamic pressure in the vehicle. 55 seconds in. Less than 10 seconds remain on our solid burn. Standing by for solid SEP. And we have separation. Separation on the 6 solid motors. And we have a good ignition on the 3 airlit solids. Airlit solids 4, 5, and 6 coming up in chamber pressure. 1 minute, 20 seconds into the flight. Delta vehicle now only weighs about 1/2 of what it did at launch some 80 seconds ago, losing propellant through burning at about 2,200 pounds per second. 1 minute, 35 seconds. Altitude now 16.5 nautical miles. Downrange distance 41.9 nautical miles. Velocity 3,902 miles per hour. 1 minute, 45 seconds in. Symmetrical burn on the 3 airlit motors. Coming up on 157 into the flight. About 10 seconds remaining now on the airlit motors. Standing by for burnout of the 3 airlit motors. And we have burnout. Standing by for SEP. And we have separation. Separation on the 3 airlit motors, 4, 5, and 6. 2 minutes, 20 seconds in. Chamber pressure continuing to look good on the main engine. Chamber pressure beginning also looking good on the vernier engines. Good chamber pressures right where we want them to be. Engine pitch and yaw steering now settling down as vernier engine control also settling down at this time, looking good. Coming up on 2 minutes, 40 seconds into the flight. Altitude 39.4 nautical miles. Downrange distance 122 nautical miles. Velocity 6,764 miles per hour. 2 minutes, 55 seconds. Good control on the main engine now in pitch and yaw. Very smooth ride on the verniers as well. Passing 3 minutes, 5 seconds. Chamber pressure is holding very good in the main engine and in both verniers. About 1 minute, 15 seconds remaining in first stage flight. We're passing 3 minutes, 20 seconds into the flight. Altitude now passing 51 nautical miles. Downrange distance 195 nautical miles. Velocity 90 miles per hour. 3 minutes, 35 seconds into the flight. Less than 1 minute remains on first stage burn. 3 minutes, 45 seconds. Now passing an altitude of 58 nautical miles. Downrange distance 251 nautical miles. Velocity 10,674 miles per hour. Coming up on 4 minutes. Mark, 4 minutes into the flight. Less than a half a minute on main engine flight remaining. Less than a half a minute till MECO. Passing 4 minutes, 10 seconds.